Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up alarm clock on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go. Okay, so the only thing you need to do is you need to look for clock app. It looks like this. You press this, then you press this big black plus, and you select the hour you want your alarm to ring. Okay, it will be 32 for me, and you can name the you can choose the alarm sound, vibration pattern, or how many times you want it to snooze. Snooze, it means you sleep, it starts ringing, and you press snooze or sleep, it's gonna call you again in 5 minutes, and it's gonna do it 3 times. Okay, you can select the alarm name and on what days you want it to ring. Okay, let's save it and wait. Okay, it should happen any moment now, but we just need to wait. Oh, I snoozed. It's gonna call again in 5 minutes. But okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye. And I forgot to tell you, that's how this clock app works and how you set alarm. Goodbye.